Come on! Last line, and this is where I'm messing it all up.
Hi everyone, I haven't filmed a challenge video in a while and I have recently started doing a lot of crochet. I'm currently doing a crochet everyday challenge for the month of March. I want to put my minimal crochet skills to the test and see how much I can crochet in an hour. Let me show you what I'm doing. I am currently making a top. I've already crocheted this much of it, so I'm going to put a marker somewhere along here so that I know where I started. Let's set the timer. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It takes me about 7 minutes to do a row, so I should be able to do about like, well, 9-10 rows. I wanted to get more comfortable, so I'm going to sit on my bed, and I've changed the timer over from my phone to my laptop so that you can still see it. You can see that it's the same. I don't want anyone saying that I've cheated. I just paused it while I move around. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm going to try and not focus on the timer because I find that stresses me out. So I'm not the fastest crocheter in the world, and I think it's going to show in this challenge. I'm still quite slow, but I'll let myself off because I'm technically still a beginner. I've not done that many projects before. Also, I think this challenge is really going to show how long crochet actually takes, and that's something that I've learnt to appreciate since I've started making my own things. Oh, mistake! I hate it when I make mistakes. I don't know how people crochet really fast and talk at the same time. Like, I do apologise for how boring this video probably is. Please don't click off, please watch till the end. I promise it will be worth it, hopefully. That's 2 rows. Guys, I need video ideas. I am running out. I wanted to post twice a week, every week this month, and hopefully keep it up for the rest of the year, see how it goes, but I have no ideas anymore. I've run out. So if you have any videos you'd like to see, any more art challenges or craft challenges, let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to give some stuff a go. If there's anything new you'd like me to try out, I really want to try tufting. I'm not sure if it's the right time to do that right now, but it's something I want to try. I really feel like I'm panicking. It's just the timer. Like, I'd probably crochet more in an hour if I don't have a timer on. It's because I'm trying to prove a point. I'm getting faster. I'm getting faster.
Hi guys!
I got so into my crochet that my camera cut out and I didn't even notice. So yeah, I'm gonna restart my timer. Well, continue my timer and keep going. I think it's because I was chit-chatting about my struggles with perfectionism and how crochet is actually helping me with that, because I don't I'm a lot more lenient with myself when it comes to crochet for some reason. I think it's because I'm kind of lazy and I don't want to go back and correct something if it's as simple as just like the gauge being off.
And I think this challenge is also helping with that, because it's quantity over quality in this case. Obviously I knew it wasn't going to happen, but when I was thinking about this video, I had this image in my head that I was going to like make a whole top in an hour, which I mean I knew was unrealistic whilst thinking it, but I just had this image in my head, and it's not possible. Like, I'm not even halfway through. I won't even be halfway through by the end of this video, realistically. And it just shows how much effort actually goes into it and how much time goes into making something like this. And this is like such a simple pattern. It's like meant to be a beginner's pattern. You do the same thing over and over again. It doesn't get much more simple than this. My hands are starting to ache, getting cramps. I am going to finish this row and then I'm going to pause the timer and restart the camera. So if I change position slightly, that will be why. But yeah, my camera won't record more than 12 minutes of footage at one go. So yeah, the challenge was getting the footage. My battery is flashing, so I don't know how much longer my battery is gonna last. I do have a spare battery, luckily, although it's pretty much at the end of its life. Like, it's fully charged, but it won't last. It won't last long. I need a new spare battery. I'm setting like little goals for myself. Like every line, I'm like, I'm gonna do this one in 6 minutes. By the time we've reached, I want to finish this line by the time we've reached 23 minutes. I keep dropping my stitches. I will of course leave a link to the pattern below. I would definitely recommend doing this if you're a beginner. I feel like in the last 10 minutes I'm gonna panic. I've dropped my stitches more times in this row than I have like the whole project so far. We've got 17 minutes left, not that long to go. This is going to be so uneven. I'm going to try and get in at least 3 more rows. Let's see if I can do it. What have I done? What am I doing? I keep messing up. What? Oh guys, I keep making mistakes. left. Yay. 2.5 minutes left. We're so close. Let's see how much I can do on this row. Imagine if I finish this row, I'm going to be so pissed off with myself, because that would mean that I've been going half the pace that I could have been going this whole time. 1 minute, and I dropped my stitch. There we go. Let's see. I'm so close to finishing this row. Okay, I'm gonna finish the stitch. Time is up. Time is up. Okay, I get it. How do I stop? I am done. I'm done. I've done quite a bit. Let's count how many rows I've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'm on my 12th row. I am ecstatic. Is it the most even piece of work? Probably not, but does that matter? Not really. That's a good chunk of the way. But I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you would like to see more crochet content from me, then subscribe, because there's more coming, especially in the next few weeks.